Hello everyone, let me introduce the Dto Buddy plugin. This plugin mainly helps us fast generation of DTO classes and converter classes, synchronizing fields to DTO classes. For example, if we have some object, like my user, when we pass it to the front end, you may need to make some changes to this class, add or subtract some fields. We need to configure it in this project. Configure a Dto Buddy JSON. We can add mapping here. Add a mapped relationship. This is the original package name. This place is the name of the DTO package. We haven't created one here yet. This is the package name of the conversion class. This is the name of DTO. For example, it's called MyUser. This is the name of the conversion class. This is just a method for convert to classes. His name is written in organogramma. Feel free to customize the name. One way to do this is to convert to object like mapStruct, or use bin utils or getSet. This type is the order between MyUser to MyUser.do in converter method. This type is a direction. The only difference is convert the MyUser to MyUser.do or MyUser.do to MyUser. Let's click OK. Just fine. Let's start with the replace return type to DO type. Use this on the service method. Return a MyUser. I want to turn it into MyUser.do. I just need Alt-Enter convert return type to DO with this option. It will automatically generated. It will automatically give us DTO and mapper. Everything is done. You don't have to write this manually. When you're in this MyUser class, there's some action up there too. You can also generate DOS and mapper directly from here. Add field to DTO. Add another field to MyUser class. This field can be quickly added to DTO. It prompts me here automatically. This field is not added, so I can add it. Later, it's also automatically set in my mapper method. You don't have to go around manually. You can also compare the two files. Compare this class to DTO. Compare and edit. One more. You can compare DTO class with generated DTO class. Make a comparison. Edit between them. And we can also use template to generate DTO. This is where we can write a template file. You can create a target template file. I've already written one down here to delete it. Here is a template file. Let's copy this, and then through the template to get it into this. That means I'm going to use a template to generate it. In this template we can, for example, I want to add some annotation or use lombok. Or we need to add or ignore some fields. Some fields we don't need in DTO. Do some renaming or something. All can be done. Like here, like adding a swagger comment to DTO class. We can compare it to use action. Compare DO with generated DO. After edit, it will contain the swagger annotation. More example, add lombok. Compare. You can customize this template. In Dto Buddy JSON, there are some examples. See how it works. You can also use replace here. Configure the Dto name. You can customize the name. That's all the plugin does for now. If you meet any problem, contact me with the GitHub issues. Thank you.